Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Vue.js package which is a circular progress bar. You can decrease the progress level, you will see you can change the color thickness level as well. So if I click the plus icon, it will change the percentage dynamically. You will see it is animating it. So it's a nice little progress bar, circular progress bar, ellipse. You can use this package inside Vue.js 3 very easily. You can see the live demo. So now to integrate this package, first of all you need to install this. So just head over to npmjs.com and just search for this package, which is vue-ellipse-progress. This is actually the package name. So you just need to install this. So just using the npm command, this is a command here. So just install this, and it's having 5,000 weekly downloads. So now to configure this, so they do offer a nice little package, progress bars. So they do offer their own website as well. This is their website. So great documentation they have. So just go to your app.vue file and initialize your template, your HTML code. So inside the div, we will just style it inside. We will change the display to flex so that it appears in the center position. So I have given the link in the description of this video to get all the source code. So after this, we will initialize this component, but before that, inside our script tag, we will first of all import this module, import ve-progress, and this will be coming from vue-ellipse-progress. And then we also need to import the reference from Vue, and we need to now register the component. For registering it, first of all we need to specify some parameters. So the progress level, so when you initialize your application it will be at 50%. So we will use this ref here, and then you also can initialize the gradient color. So here you will specify the radial to be false, and here you will specify the colors which will comprise the gradient. So here you can specify the base 64 code, the array of base 64 colors, like this. And then we can define these two methods which will be responsible for increasing and decreasing the progress level. So increase progress and decrease progress. So the job is simply to increase or decrease the progress levels of the progress bar. So now we have written all this JavaScript TypeScript code. Now we need to initialize the component. So right in the template itself, we will initialize this component like this, and we need to pass some options right here. So the first parameter is your progress. So initial progress here will be progress variable that we initialize. So initial level will be 50%. And then the next one is the size. You can control the size here. You can pass a numeric value 150. And similarly for thickness of the progress bar, again it receives a numeric value 8. And then you can control the color. So I have defined this color, gradient color. And then if you want line cap as well, you can pass a round value. So these are all options that it takes. And now we just need to, after this we will have two controls, two buttons which are available. So we'll just have these two buttons, first of all for increasing and decreasing. So we will just bind these on click listener. So when we click these buttons, we will execute those functions defined: decrease progress, increase progress. We have defined these methods. So I will just give setup right here. So now just setup is important, so just give setup. So if you refresh now, you will see initially we will have at 50% we have these two buttons. So we can decrease it, it decreases by 5%, and increase it also by 5%. So you will see the progress bar will now get animated. So you can easily change the color combination by editing this, and all these are customizable. You can change the size here. Let's suppose I change 350, thickness level I change to 18. So now you see it is all customizable. So you can check out their documentation. It has got a nice little documentation as well. All sort of progress bars are available. So thank you very much guys for watching this video, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video.